Hello everyone, I am Trupti Pandya and today I will be teaching you Element of Account Standard 12 Chapter 2 Final Account of a Partnership Firm. In previous lecture up to question number 16 we already completed. Today I want to explain question number 17. Let us start it. Question number 17. Question number 17. Man and Mohan are partners of a firm sharing profit and loss in the proportion of 1:1 from the given below trial balance and adjustments. Prepare final account for the year ending on 31st March 2017. Here one trial balance is given. Trial balance of partnership firm of Man and Mohan as on 31st March 2017. Capital and drawing. Capital always credit and drawing always debit. So debit balance is a drawing and credit balance is a capital. Man 3,000 and 2,80,000 capital, 3,000 drawing. Mohan drawing 4,500 and capital 2,20,000. Purchase sales. Here debit purchase is always debit and sales is always credit. So 80,000 is a purchase and 1,20,000 is a sale. Advertisement expense 7,000. Expense always debit. Carriage outward 850 rupees. Machines means office 1,50,000. Purchase of office machine 1/4/2016. One machine is there and another machine, office machine is purchased on 1/4/16. Building 2,50,000, office salary 15,000, customer and supplier. Here customer means our debtors and suppliers means our creditors. When we purchase on credit, then at that time suppliers are there and suppliers are credit. Customer means when we sold the goods on credit, at that time their debtors arises. So here 25,000, debtors always debit and creditors always credit. 25,000 and 35,000. Goods return also, purchase return always credit and sales return always debit. So 16,000 is a sales return and 14,000 is a purchase return. Weight charges 450 rupees, it is a expense. Loan of Man 10,000, custom duty 1,300, goods of stock 1/4/2016, it is the opening stock 42,000, trading expense 1,300, wages and outstanding wages 750 and 2,600, commission paid in advance 350 rupees, bank account and cash account 20,700 and 3,000, interest on loan 400, investment in 8% government security 30,000. Current account of Man 8,000, it is a debit balance, and Mohan credit balance 12,000. Total of trial balance is 6,96,600. Now some adjustment is given below the trial balance. First adjustment, the value of closing stock is rupees 80,000. Its market value is 10% more. In previous question also I explained that if more word is there, then calculation is not necessary, because our condition is there that book value and market value, two values are there. From these two values, whatever is less we have to write in our account. So here more word is there, so no calculation is necessary because it is a useless calculation. So more word is there, then don't calculate anything, just you write this closing stock given here 80,000 rupees. Second adjustment, provide depreciation at 10% on machine and building. Here in a trial balance, machine and building both the asset is given and we have to calculate 10% depreciation on this asset. Third adjustment, debtor of rupees 10,000 became insolvent. When there is an insolvent debtor is there, then 50% amount will be received as per instructions of his receiver. Provide 5% bad debt reserve. So From 10,000 only 50% is a receivable, and so 50% is we calculate as a bad debt. And afterward one is it is given 5% bad debt reserve we have to keep for on the debtors. Fourth adjustment, 10% interest is outstanding on bank overdraft. Bank overdraft is there, and on bank overdraft 10% interest is outstanding. Fifth adjustment, goods of rupees 2000 is missed out to record in sales return book. One entry it is not recorded in a sales return book. So this all the adjustments are there, and for this all the adjustment, first of all we find out that this adjustment is related with the which entry, and whenever this entry is there, then we have to calculate two times, means two entries are there. Maybe it is on a trading account and balance sheet, otherwise profit and loss account and balance sheet. So let us start the answer of this question. First of all, we prepare the trading account. We know that in a trading account we have to write debit side opening stock purchase minus purchase return and purchase related expenses, and credit side we have to write sales minus sales return and closing stock. So let us start it. To opening stock 42,000 it is given in our trial balance. To purchase 80,000 minus purchase return it is also given in our trial balance 14,000. Outer column we have to write 66,000. To tolai 450 rupees it is related to purchase, so we write here in a trading account. To custom duty 1,300. To wages 750 rupees. Now credit side, by sales 1,20,000 minus sales return 16,000 minus one adjustment is that goods of rupees 2,000 is missed out to record in a sales return. So minus unrecorded sales return 2,000. So outer column we have to write 1,02,000, and by closing stock 80,000 we have to write because 10% more word is there, and this more word we have to not calculate anything. So now credit side total is 1,82,000. Now credit side is greater here. Credit side is greater than the debit side. So we have to write all the debit calculations and minus from the credit balance. So 1,82,000 minus debit balance. Then we find the difference amount 71,500. So this 71,400 is a gross profit, and this gross profit we have to transfer into profit and loss account. This way our trading account is over, and total of the trading account is 1,82,000. Now this gross profit we have to transfer to profit and loss account. So let us prepare the profit and loss account. Profit and loss account debit side particular amount and credit side also particular amount. Profit and loss account of partnership firm of Man and Mohan for the year ending 31st March 2017. Administrative expenses. We know that this is the nominal type account, and so all the expenses and losses we have to write the debit side, and all the income and gain we have to write the credit side. So let us first of all the expenses and loss we write the debit side. To office salary 15,000, to trading expense 1,300, selling distribution expenses, to advertisement expense 7,000, to carriage outward 850 rupees, financial expense, to interest on bank overdraft 300 because it is given 10% outstanding is there, to interest on month's loan 400 plus outstanding interest 200, outer column 700, outstanding always plus, and second entry we have to write in a balance sheet asset side. Other expense and losses, to bad debt as per the adjustment 5,000 because from 10,000 50% receive and 50% we have to write as a bad debt, and 5% they have to write the BDR, means bad debt reserve. So from the adjustment bad debt reserve 650 rupees on debtor. So total 5,650. Depreciation building and machinery 10% is there. So on value of a building there are 25,000, and on value of a machinery 10% depreciation, then we get 19,000 rupees. So this way all the expenses and losses we write here in a debit side. Now credit side, by trading account gross profit 71,500, by interest on government security 2,400. Now here debit side is more than the credit side, because we know that debit side all the expenses and losses are there, and credit side all the incomes are there. But here expenses are more than that of the income. So here difference amount, total of the debit side is 74,700, and from the from this we have to minus this amount, then we get 800 rupees divisible loss. And this we write by partner's current account divisible loss, Man 400 and Mohan 400, because profit sharing ratio is not given in this sum. So we have to calculate the loss equally. So we distribute Man and Mohan 800 rupees, equal distribution. So 400 for each partner. Now partner's current account. Now this loss we transfer here to profit and loss appropriation account 400 and 400. To balance brought down 8,000, drawing 3,000 and 4,500. By balance brought down 12,000. Here balance brought down one debit balance, so we write 8,000 debit side. And here balance of Mohan is a credit balance, so credit side we write 12,000 as a by balance brought down. Drawing 3,000 and 4,500. Here profit and loss appropriation account divisible loss 400 and 400. Now total of a month debit side 8,000 plus 3,000 plus 400 means 11,400. And credit side in month's account there is a nothing, no balance is given. So by balance carried down 11,400. When credit side this balance is there, so we have to write this asset side. And here on Mohan 4,500 plus 400 means 4,500 and 400 means 4,900, and credit side there is a 12,000 is there. Credits Mohan's account credit side more than the debit side. So 12,000 minus 4,900, then difference amount we get 7,100. And this 7,000 debit side, so we have to write liability side on a balance sheet. So to balance carry down this balance we have to transfer in the balance sheet. Let us start balance sheet of partnership firm of Man and Mohan as on 31st March 2017. Capital account Man 2,80,000, Mohan 2,20,000, total 5 lakh. Current account of Mohan 7,100. Debit balance is there, so we have to write liability side 7,100. Non-current liability, month's loan 10,000. Current liability bank overdraft 3,000 plus outstanding interest on bank overdraft 300. 3,300 we have to write the outer column. Creditors 35,000. Outstanding wages here 2,600, and outstanding interest on month's loan 200. This 2,600 by mistake going here, but we have to write here. Non-current asset, fixed asset, machine 1,50,000 plus purchase 40,000, total 1,90,000 minus this both the first machine's value is 1,50,000 and additional purchase is there 40,000. So total value of a machine is 1,90,000, because on opening day second machine is purchased. So both the value we have to add and write here 1,90,000 minus depreciation, 10% depreciation is there. On 1,90,000 10% means 19,000 is there. 1,90,000 minus 19,000, then we get 1,71,000. Now buildings value in trial balance it is given 2,50,000 and 10% depreciation is there. So 25,000 minus, then we get 2,25,000. Investment is 8%, government security 30,000. Current asset, debtors given 25,000 minus sales return. By mistake we write the sales return on debtors, so we have to write sales return 2,000 minus bad debt as per the adjustment 5,000 and bad debt reserve as per the adjustment 650. All the amount when we minus, then we get 17,350 rupees. Closing stock 80,000, cash balance 20,700. Prepaid commission 350, because we know that any prepaid income is there, that is a asset is there. Prepaid commission paid in advance, so it is our asset. Outstanding interest on 8% government security 2,400. this income is outstanding, and when income is outstanding, then it is also our asset, so we have to write here in a asset side. Current account of month 11,400, this is a credit balance, also we write here in a asset side. Total of both the side, asset side 5,58,200 and liability side 5,58,200 and asset side also 5,58,200. So both the total are identical in the balance sheet. Now working note, first interest on loan of month 10,000 into 6 upon 100, because loans percentage is not given, so we have to calculate a 6%. 600 out of which 400 is paid. Outstanding interest on loan 600 minus 400, then 200. Bad debt reserve is to be provided on doubtful debts only. BDR is calculated 5%, 13,000. Why? 23,000 minus 10,000 insolvent debtor. So 23,000 minus 10,000, so 13,000 is there. On 13,000, 5% bad debt reserve, then it comes 650 rupees. Transactions of partners with firm are not given, so profit and loss appropriation account is not prepared. Here drawing, interest on capital, other transaction related with the partnership firm and partners are not inter-transaction is not given, so profit and loss appropriation account is not necessary. So this way our question number 17 is over. Thank you very much.